Assalamu alaikum. I'm here Rashid of Ali English House Academy. We give the opportunity to our students to deliver their speech here on stage. This is to develop their communication and personality and to give recognitions to them. So let's hear a speech from this girl, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to everyone. My dear brothers and sisters, how are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. Today I'd like to thank Ali English House Academy for giving me an opportunity to develop my personality. Today I am going to say a sentence from Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Surah Al-Isra, in verse number 24, Rabbirhamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. My Lord, have a mercy on both of them as they brought me up when I was a small. Jazakallahu khaira. Have a nice day.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, wonderful and very timely and very relevant ayat she read. So it is about the importance of parents. Her mother is also here, so she is glad to present in front of her mother. Rabbirhamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. So what is it about? It's a prayer for the parents. When we say Rabbirhamhuma means for both of them, means it is father and mother. Please show the mercy on them like how they have shown mercy on me when I was young, when I was small. So this is one dua, like even if you pray for your lifetime, you cannot give the credit of your parents. So mashallah, let's give a big round of applause to the speaker. So, I would like to have more and more such speeches where you prepare, you say which surah in Quran and what is the verse number. You might have heard the speeches from Zakir Naik or Dr. Bilal Phillips. There are many scholars. So you can listen to their speeches and you can abstract from there and you can say it here. So with the speech of final student, we'll be back. Thank you for watching. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum.